going to do this. We did do a quiz yesterday. Who was not here yesterday? Okay. You weren't here yesterday. Okay. Okay, well, after the warm-up, okay. After the warm-up, I'm going to need you to take that quiz on the Google Classroom. Or you'll have to do it on paper, but it's easier on the quiz on the website because you can retake it over and over if you need to by Friday night. Okay, so here we go. These 3 assignments on the due, look right, they're right here. This is the ones that you need to be turning in. Okay. Now, this warm-up is stuff we've already done. We've already done regressions, menu 413, menu 41A, menu 416. We've already done them. Okay, and it's going to be on your test, which is going to be on Monday. We have to get a test done. The sooner the better. That way, for some of us who don't pass things, we'll need to have time to pass it before the end of the 9 weeks. Plenty of time. All that to say, Monday's our test. Tomorrow we review. And this is a reminder on, can you get out your warm-up, please? Can you please get out your warm-up? Okay, so this is just a review on how to do this. I'm going to give you practice on this too, because you got to know it for your test. So here we go. Let me get my calculator out. All right, number 1, linear regression. Now, who remembers, if I go to a new document, which one of these options do I click for a table? How do I put in a table? Number 4 for lists and spreadsheet, okay? So you click that, and then you see a spreadsheet. Now, what do you always have to label? Very important. At the top. X and Y. I guess it's frozen. Why did it? There we go. Okay. So at the very top, where it says A and B, you got to put X and Y, okay? You got stuff. So I'm doing it. Then go ahead and fill in your table, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop. 17, 12, 7, 2, 8, 3. Okay, so everyone's able to. New document, list and spreadsheets, X and Y at the top, type it in. Now, it'll tell you which one to do. And it tells you on the warm-up to do a linear regression. Okay? Menu is what you press for menu, 4 for statistics, 1 for stat calculations. And if you forget which one, just look at the options. Which one's linear? 3. I know 4 is 2, but menu 413 is what we're going to pick. Okay. Now, also very important, X must be X, Y must be Y. So make sure you select those correctly. And then when you hit enter, it'll give you more numbers, but it'll say M and B. This is what you need to write it as Y equals MX plus B. Okay. So we're going to write that for a warm-up that we took this table, and now we're going to write it as Y equals M, which is -5, X plus B, which is 22. Could you take tables today and get linear equations? Can you do that? Okay. So what about the second one on the warm-up? Did everyone get that down? All right. Number 2, quadratic regression. Same idea. I'm going to do a new document. Don't save. What do I press here? 1 is very wrong. It's 4. And I click 5. So joke's on me. All right. 4. Now, what do I got to put at the top? X and Y. Thank you. X and Y. And then type in your table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And please don't do that. Okay. -1, 3, 13, 29, 51. All right. I type in my next table, and that says quadratic, So I'm going to do a quadratic regression, which is menu 4, 1, and then which one says quadratic? 6. Very wrong. Quadratic, number 6. Okay, so x is x, y is y. Don't forget to click these correctly. X is x, y is y. Now, when I do this, it gives me A, B, and C. Y'all see that? A, B, and C. If you remember, the format is ax squared plus bx oh my gosh, it's terrible, plus c. A, B, and C go there. Okay? So don't I have my three numbers over there? Okay? 3, negative 5, and 1. So I'm going to write it as y equals negative 3 x squared minus 5 x and then plus 1. Don't forget the x squared and the x, but those are the three numbers, okay? So could you, in a multiple choice way, select the equation from a quadratic regression? Yes, you will be able to do that today. Now, let me remind you, yesterday we took a quiz, and I'm going to look at who was not here, go to your desk, and see that you're taking that quiz today, okay? And if you don't have a phone or whatever, I'll give you the paper one, okay? It's better to do it on Quizzes, that way you can retake it immediately, okay? And then I'll see who did not pass it and remind you you need to retake it immediately today, okay? But I'm going to pass these out, and we're going to get that done. Okay, here we go.